Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Hub. Today we're taking a look back at a car that was a pivotal model for Cadillac, truly marking its shift towards a more performance-oriented luxury image, the Cadillac CTS. Now it's important to clarify up front, the Cadillac CTS was discontinued in 2019, with its role largely taken over by the Cadillac CT5. So there isn't a 2025 Cadillac CTS in production. However, the CTS's legacy is significant, and understanding what made it special helps us appreciate Cadillac's current lineup. We'll be talking about the impact and evolution of the CTS rather than a new model. The Cadillac CTS, first introduced for the 2003 model year, was a revolutionary car for Cadillac. It spearheaded the brand's art and science design language, characterized by sharp, chiseled lines and bold angles that broke away from Cadillac's more traditional, softer aesthetic. Over its 3 generations, the CTS evolved in size and sophistication, from a compact executive sedan to a more mid-size luxury competitor. Its aggressive stance, distinctive grille, and signature vertical lighting elements became hallmarks of modern Cadillacs. The CTS was offered not just as a sedan, but also as a sleek 2-door coupe and a versatile wagon, showcasing its adaptability and design prowess. Under the hood, the Cadillac CTS was always about performance. Early models featured V6 engines, but it quickly escalated. The second and third generations introduced a range of potent powertrains, including turbocharged 4 cylinders for efficiency and powerful V6 options. Crucially, the CTS was the platform for the legendary CTS V models. These high-performance variants pack supercharged V8 engines, like the 6.2-liter LT4 in the third-generation CTS V, producing an incredible 640 horsepower. These V models were direct competitors to high-performance sedans from BMW M and Mercedes-AMG, proving Cadillac could build a truly world-class sports sedan. The CTS also famously offered a manual transmission in its early V models, a nod to driving purists. Step inside the Cadillac CTS, especially the later generations, and you'd find a cabin that balanced driver focus with Cadillac's signature luxury. While earlier models might have been criticized for some interior plastics, the third-generation CTS significantly elevated the interior quality, with premium materials like genuine wood, carbon fiber, and leather adorning the surfaces. Technology evolved rapidly with the car, from early infotainment systems to Cadillac's CUE, Cadillac User Experience System, which despite its initial learning curve, offered a large touchscreen and advanced connectivity. Features like heated and ventilated seats, premium audio systems, and advanced driver assistance technologies became increasingly available, making the CTS a comfortable and safe place to be. The Cadillac CTS was a pivotal car in Cadillac's history. It helped shed the brand's staid image, proving that Cadillac could build cars that were not just luxurious, but also genuinely exciting to drive and visually striking. While it's no longer in production, its spirit lives on in Cadillac's current performance luxury sedans like the CT5, especially the CT5V and the formidable CT5V Blackwing. What are your memories of the Cadillac CTS? Are you a fan